Athletics is where we start, as there were no Jamaican winners at the opening IAAF Diamond League meet of the season in Doha, Qatar today. Shoshana McGowan has this review.
Double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson had to settle for a third in the women's 100 meters.
In the middle, Ahure gets off to a good start, so does Talu. Talu and Ahure are leading this one at the moment. Skippers has been left behind by a good metre or so. Talu might just have the edge here. Thompson's trying to get amongst it, but it's got to be Talu who gets there. Okagbare may have just pipped Thompson for second place.
Thompson, who had a slow start, recovered to post the season's best, 10.93 seconds, in the event, which was won by Marie-José Talu of the Ivory Coast in a world-leading 10.85. Blessing Okagbare was second in 10.90, while the other Jamaican, Jura Levy, was 8th in a season's best 11.29. Meanwhile, former world champion Daniel Williams crossed the line in 5th, clocking 12.82 in the sprint hurdles. The event was won by record holder Kendra Harrison in 12.53 seconds and Brianna Rollins McNeil second in 12.58. Rashid Dwyer was the lone Jamaican to face the starter in the men's 200 meters, finishing 8th in 20.72 seconds, with the event going to American Noah Lyles in a personal best and meet record of 19.83. Olympic and World 110-meter hurdles champion Omar McLeod, who was listed for the 200 meters, did not face the starter. The next Diamond League event will be the Shanghai meet on May 12. Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.
And more Diamond League news now. Omar McLeod's management agency confirmed that he did not compete in the men's 200 meters due to abductor soreness. The 110-meter hurdles Olympic and world champion was removed from the start list a few hours before the start of the race. The agency also revealed that McLeod is recovering and will return at a later date. McLeod ran a personal best of 20.49 seconds in the 200 meters in March.